Okay, so I've had this idea for a while. I wanted this for a long time. And like all my good ideas, I just have never done it. But I finally did it. I got this stuff. It's chalkboard paint. Like you paint it on a thing and it becomes a chalkboard. I've seen them around. I've seen people have whole walls of them. But I just really want one thing. I want a chalkboard juggling club, right? That sounds cool. Right? I think it sounds cool. So since I already have it, I'm gonna use this all black club. The handle I made in the DIY handles video. And yeah, let's get started. Let's see how this goes. No instructions with this thing. So just gonna use my intuition and my good judgment. I'm honestly not convinced that it's not just gonna completely flake off. I don't. But it says it's a multi-surface chalkboard paint, so it's a surface. I should probably take the body off. That would be wise. And look at that. The handle's still intact. That is a good design. I'm gonna prepare this to hang dry by putting the screw back in the club. Oh, no, okay. I thought that was gonna work. Would have been smart. That's why I have this thing. What do we got? We got something good in here? Yeah, that should be thick enough. Nope, too thick. Oh, not bad. Gotta have a random screw box. You just gotta. Yeah, that should be good. Should I sandpaper it? Yeah. A good rub can't hurt. Just a light one. I know people who do this to their clubs before they even juggle them. Tragic, really. At least this is for a good cause. Okay, now we're ready. Does this stain? Should I not have it touching my skin? Nah, I'm sure it's fine. Smells good. I don't know how many layers I should do. Let's just keep going. I'm gonna let this dry, but I do have another idea. Chalkboard ring. I think this is actually gonna be way cooler. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, I guess that's it for today. I got the ring drying here, club's up here. Honestly, it looks like it's already drying pretty fast. But I'm gonna let it sit for a whole day. I'll come back tomorrow. Day 2, layer 2. You can definitely still see the sandpaper lines on this. I guess I'll just go until you can't see them anymore. This is exciting, isn't it? You know what? I think we can skip through all these layers and coating and relayer and I'm painting a thing. It's not that interesting. Layer 5. Okay, it's day 4, I think, layer 6, I don't know, I lost count. And it's honestly looking pretty good on the one side of the ring. The club, you can still see the scratches on it, but that's probably fine. I'm gonna test out the chalk on the stuff that's on the cardboard here. I mean, that looks like it works. But then again, it also works on the cardboard itself, so maybe I didn't even need to put chalkboard paint on a ring. Okay, I'm gonna start on the other side of the ring, and then that'll probably be it. Alright, it has been, I don't know how many days, how many layers, but I think the club is ready. Alright, guess we're done. Club is all dry, ring is dry on both sides. They feel okay, like they're not cracking when I bend it, so that's a good sign. I don't know how good they're gonna be with impact, but I don't really see myself doing much with these. I don't think I'm gonna drop them much. I feel like if you're gonna have a club that's black, why not put some chalkboard paint on it? It looks and feels like a normal club, and then you have the added bonus of chalk. Yeah! Get all the colors. What else do people do in the chalk? Oh yeah, that's what I gotta do. Come on. This is so much fun. Highly recommended. Okay, let's play with the ring. See if this works. Is this gonna line up perfectly or no? Yellow? Get out of here. Oh my goodness, the perfect amount. That's really satisfying. I mean, it looks kind of cool. Oops, looks like I scratched up some paint there. I guess maybe I needed to do a few more layers. Nice. I'm into it. This is fun. I feel like this is a great way to see if decorating a ring could look cool before you actually commit. Does that look good? It's kind of fun. I'm into it. This is a success. I'm going to be playing with these for hours to come, possibly even minutes. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you try this. I had a lot of fun. Let me know if you have any good ideas of things to draw on here.